13 tips from women on how to give a perfect kiss. Kissing is a bit of a fine art, one that, once perfected, can lead to a masterpiece display, but when done badly, can end in a messy disaster and put someone off you for life. The women of Reddit were asked how they prefer to be kissed by men. Although the tips are applicable to both genders, we reckon, and there were a huge mix of responses that proved there's more to the perfect snog than planting the lips on someone and hoping for the best. See if you can impress bae, or your practicing pillow, with some of these techniques. The soft porn tip. One hand on my face, the other on my ass, pulling me in closer. Light kisses on my mouth, neck, and then slowly getting more urgent. Hand sliding up my back and then back down to my ass. Bring the tongue into play and give me a groan or heavy sigh and I'm melting. The tongue tip. Use your tongue wisely. Light, gentle, tongue on tongue can be really hot, but when it's like a fish in a washing machine, it's *****ing disgusting. How do you even think that would be good? The softness tip. Try being gentle for a change. It might surprise your partner. The stop gagging me tip. A little tongue is fine, cramming it down your partner's throat, not so much. I don't want a make-out session triggering my gag reflex. The circular tip. Tongues should be rubbed together, move both tongues around in a circle, then withdraw. You'll know when it feels right. The size tip. Your mouth is likely going to be bigger than hers. Don't cover her lips to the point that her mouth is inside yours, getting the skin around her mouth wet. It feels disgusting, like she's borderline going to drown, and a bit like being eaten instead of kissed. The biting tip. Light bite, suck on the bottom lip, pulling it a little. I saw stars when a guy did that the first time. The teamwork tip. Make kissing a cooperative effort. Don't just go through the motions. Feel the experience. Breathe. Until you have a pace going. If making out, give your partner space to move, pull back, basically don't trap them. Everyone has different likes for how to be kissed. Gentle, slow, passionate, etc. Just be in tune with your partner. The noisy tip. Don't make big smacking sounds. It makes me feel like I'm kissing my great Aunt Lori. The very specific tip. Place one hand on the small of her back and lightly press your groin against her. Don't be hard right away. Let her upper half meet you halfway and butt your foreheads together gently. Look her in the eyes, then scan her entire face. Eye contact is key, but not too much. Don't be weird. Use the thumb of your free hand to graze the side of her face, rubbing back toward her ear. Let the prominent portion of your upper cheekbone meet hers, and not quite like a cat, but not far off. Rub your skin together. Skin-to-skin contact is a huge turn on. The request tip. First time kissing her. Ask her if you can kiss her. It is incredibly romantic and sexy. People who say it will ruin the mood are full of shit. You can read the mood. You both know you're about to kiss. Move in a little and look her in the eyes and ask, "Can I kiss you?" in a confident, serious voice. Swoon. The anticipation tip. Cup her face. Start the kiss very gently, and don't be afraid to linger a little. Oh, and lots of girls I know also like to be kissed somewhere else on their face, like their cheek, eyelids, or forehead first, before being kissed on the lips. The moment before the kiss can be just as exciting, or more, than the kiss itself.